Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. And that's exactly what this video is, a tip video, or rather a tips video. The Option key on macOS is a hidden gem and it does unlock a lot of functionality that you may not have known about. Now, those of you who subscribe to our weekly newsletter will see that I've now added in a quick tip every week, a small action that you can execute on your device to save time that you may not have known about. Well, this video is a collection of tips just like that. Lots of them coming, all related to the Option key. So let's get to it. Okay, let's start off with a few tips on using the Option key to navigate through a document. So here I am in Pages and my cursor, or insertion point as it's actually called, is just here. And if I press the right arrow key, it moves across to the right, then the left arrow key moves across to the left, all pretty normal and basic. If I press the Option key and the left arrow key, then it takes me to the beginning of the word. Then Option and right arrow will of course take me to the end of the next word. Next we have deleting. So when I press the backspace key, of course, it deletes the character to the left of the insertion point. But if I press Option and delete, well, it deletes the whole word to the left each time. And again, I'll put these back. Now let's just click anywhere in the middle here. If I press the up arrow, then the insertion point goes up vertically and then down, of course, will bring it down the other way. If I press Shift and up, then it selects all of the text between the insertion point and the place directly above. Then Shift and down will come down the other way, but you can see it does exactly the same thing. Now, what about Shift, Option and up? That selects all of the text from the current location to the top of the paragraph. And then Shift, Option down does the same, but goes down to the bottom of the paragraph instead, naturally. So if your insertion point is at the end of a paragraph, just press Shift, Option and up, and you'll automatically select all of the text there.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.